Hi guys, one thing you should not get wrong in life is people that you want to be in relationship with. And even if you get that wrong, there's still like time for you to get into another one. But marriage is very important. But that aside, um, it's no news that there is basically a news out there about Davido filing for joint custody of Imadi. And I feel like that's, the best thing every father would do, want to be in the life of their daughter or their children, basically, right? Be it a boy or a girl. And there's some things that are not supposed to be mentioned, right? And this is very, very. There's some things that you don't bring into a case. It is, it is a no-go area. It is something that you should not go to. It was alleged that when Davido was in the courthouse with, his baby mama Sophie Momodu, the lawyer, that's the defendant's lawyer, who is, Sophie Momodu's lawyer, raised an issue which is too sensitive, and it got Davido very angry. And it's the fact that the lawyer in question actually was saying that he doesn't think Davido, so allegedly he doesn't think Davido can take care of Imadi, you know given the kind of news or the kind of thing he had with his boy the other time. I don't really want to to talk about it too much, but I mean, how cruel can you be to raise that during a legal hearing of somebody, of a father trying to you know um, get a joint custody, right? A co-parenting of the child that you both bear together. I think that, and it has actually raised a lot of things, right? Davido came outside to really blast the lawyer and also blast the baby mama, talking about he did not ask for too much. He's only asking for a joint custody, co-parenting, that they can actually, so that the girl, Imadi, can also, see that his father, her father, is in his life, right? And they have a very good relationship. So far, if you look at it, I think it's just recently that we just saw Davido with Imadi, but over the years, it's just been like a very, very surfaced, you know, conversation. And I must say, that act by that lawyer is one thing that I've come to make this video for. I totally condemn it. You don't need to bring that kind of thing, talking about, their late boy, and saying that, oh, because they are unable to protect, and they are unable to, protect basically the boy, then they don't think, or the law, the court should not grant the access of joint custody. So it brings me to a point where I don't know where some lawyers, their values are actually. And I just want to say that people are very wicked, people are cruel, because for you to go say that kind of thing, you are trying to you know um cut somebody inside, right? A place, or an injury that is already healing, or that has already healed to some extent. You are trying to bring that up because